Hey everybody, in this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to change Netflix reason. So if you want to change the reason on Netflix, you could try doing these steps. So to change your Netflix reason, you could use a virtual private network VPN to connect to a server in a different country. Then you could open Netflix to access the new reasons content library. So basically what you want to do is head over to your respective app store, install any VPN that you like. Now in my case, I'm going to go with the particular one. You could go ahead and use this as well. Otherwise, you could download any other VPN that's convenient for you. Now once you're done installing the VPN, you want to click open the VPN, and here comes the step. So all you need is just toggle the button and it's gonna connect on its own. Just be patient enough. After which you want to go ahead and open up Netflix onto your device, or you could use the browser as well, or you just install it on your respective from your respective app store. After you're done installing the Netflix, now then you could go ahead and log into your account and connect, and that should be able to help you out to change reason on Netflix. However, this is not a reliable way, as it does not allow, or in some cases might not happen. So you have to make sure that you're using a reliable VPN, and if you're not able to do this, then it could be due to your IP address or some sort of issue. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.